So how to enable Google Assistance on your Samsung Galaxy A16? Open your setting, then simply go to your Google account. But first you have to sign in with your Samsung account. If you don't know, I already have a video. Press on Google, then press on all service, press on search assistance. Then you can see the Google Assistance available here. But before that, go to other setting. Sorry, go the Google Assistance. Then you have to go to the general, then enable this option. If you as a disable, just enable this option, turn it on. Now go back, then you can see the assistance voice sound, it's also okay. Now go back, hey Google, just enable. Now press on I agree. Now press on next. Start saving audio, not now. Now all okay. If you press on this icon, hey, tell me a joke.
Why shouldn't you write with a broken pencil? Because it's pointless.
So that's it. This is how you can easily enable Hey Siri on your phone. Hope video helpful. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.